Full face of Catrice Makeup, let's give it a go. First I'm gonna start off with this glow booster. I'm gonna mix it in my hand. It has a good smell to it. I can tell there is a bit of a glow here. Next I'm gonna go in with the Prime and Fine spray. Okay, that went on nicely. Next I'm going to be trying the Liquid Camouflage, it says High Coverage Concealer. This is in the shade Light Natural and it's supposed to also be waterproof. That went on pretty nice. It did cover my under eyes there, some redness, and yeah, it feels overall nice. So actually I forgot this step. This is the primer. It's supposed to get rid of redness. So I'm gonna try this because I do have redness in my skin, as you can see. So let's see if this really does anything. Let me know if you think it did anything or not. I feel like it didn't really do anything, but that's fine. So now we're gonna go into the foundation. I'm most excited to try this. It's actually supposed to be a really nice foundation. This is in the shade Light Beige. Now I don't know if it's because of that primer, but I'm seeing tons of texture. I do have texture on my face. I don't know if you can see it. And I feel like I see a lot of texture. Yeah, there's just something going on with this area here. I just feel like I see a little bit more texture. I don't really see it on this side, so I think it must be the primer. I'm gonna go ahead and get my powder on and the bronzer, then I'll come back and use the rest of the products. Next I'm gonna go into the blush. I really like the color. It's more of like a peachy color. A little bit of a shine to it. I like the peachiness to it. Yeah, I really like this blush. I really like this blush. Next we're gonna go into the eyeshadow. This is like a little mini palette. I think it's really cute. Here are the colors. I think this is super nice, super simple. Okay, I'm gonna start with the lightest color. I'm gonna go into the medium brown and then into the dark brown. I'm gonna take this first light shade to use as some highlighter. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeshadow and eyebrows and I'll be right back to finish up with the lip. This is a lip balm. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on. Okay. I will say whatever is in here, it's super smooth. And that is it, guys. This is a full face using basically all Catrice products. Let me know in the comments what you think. Personally, I really like the eyeshadow and the multi-spray primer. The foundation was okay. Concealer was good. Lipstick was nice. The red primer for me, I think that would definitely be a no. I did also like the glow serum. I feel like it did give me a little bit of a boost. And like always, guys, if you want to help support me as an artist and a creator, don't forget you can like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.